Okay, I came with a new topic today, and the topic is the rickettsia. And I personally believe this topic is very tough and very difficult to the mug up. So uh, get, I try to collect all the mnemonics from the YouTube and the Google, and I compile all the mnemonics here. So let's begin. The first one is the epidemic typhus, second is the endemic typhus, third one is the Rocky Mountain spotted fever, fourth is Mediterranean spot fever, fifth is rickettsial pox, six is scrub typhus, seven is Q fever, eight is trench fever. Epidemic typhus, the vector is the louse and the agent is Prova jeki. And how do you remember that? Epidemics, just look the arrow. Epidemic means something which can grow exponentially, and trench means something which can goes down. Okay, so the louse is the vector for two things: epidemic typhus and the trench fever. And how do you remember that? The agent, the vector is the louse, and louse is very provocative. So Provazeki is provocative. The second is endemic typhus, which is also known as the murine typhus. Okay, and the trick is Flint, FL, Philly, EN, endemic, T for typhi. So the agent is Rickettsia typhi, and the vector is Philly. Rocky Mountain spotted fever. The trick is R for R, rickettsial rickettsial, and the vector is tick. Fourth is Mediterranean spot fever, which is also known as BMI. This is the trick, BMI. The B for Botany's fever, M for Mediterranean spot fever, I for Indian tick typhus. So the vector will be tick. Fifth is rickettsial pox. I will tell you later. Sixth is scrub typhus, which is also known as chigorosis. Okay, cigar. Somebody calls this chigorosis. Somebody is called the chigorosis. Okay, so the vector is the trombicular mite, and the larva form is known as cigar. That is why it is called. That is why it is also known as chigorosis. And the agent is Susu-gamosi. So remember, S for scrub, S for Susu-gamosi, and the T represent here the mite, tromboculite mite. Q fever, having no vectors, and the agent is Coxella burnetii. So it should be rather start from the C, start from the Q, to Coxella burnetii. 8 is the trench fever. I already told you that the vector is the louse and the agent will be Bartonella quintella. This is the only rickettsial organism which can be artificially cultured. Okay, so let me tell you a few questions which I wrote for you people. They can ask you which is the reservoir for the epidemic and the trench fever. You will say the human. Okay, wherever find you the louse is the vector, then the reservoir will be human. Q fever has no vector and no rash. Q fever has no vector and no rash, and the murine typhus is caused by the rickettsial museri. The trick is museri, MUMOO. Sounds similar. Okay, so the murine typhus, which is caused by the rickettsial museri, having the positive nil Musser sign reaction. And another question they are used to ask, Brill-Zinger's disease. Okay, Brill-Zinger disease, that is caused by the Rickettsia provazeki. Okay, Z here. Okay, and another question, jail fever. The vector is louse, so that is caused by the epidemic typhus. So epidemic typhus is also known as the jail fever. Okay, which rickettsia give OXK positive? Okay, which rickettsia give OXK positive? This is scrub typhus. Instead of writing SC, just write SK. So you can remember that OSK positive. So scrub typhus, SKRUB. Which is the most severe rickettsia? That is Rocky Mountain spotted fever. Okay, look at the diagram. A child is trying to climb this mountain. Okay, so because he was trying to climb on the mountain, he got the rash on the palm and the sole. that is known as the centripetal. Centripetal means the rats which start from the palm and sole. Another question they can ask you, among which of the following rickettsia having the palm and sole are spared, where their palm and soles are not affected, that is the epidemic typhus. Okay, and which are left here, rickettsial pox. Okay, rickettsial pox is caused by the Rickettsia acari, that is caused by the Rickettsia acari, and the vector is the mite. So there is a trick to remember the mite. There are two rickettsial which having the same having the same vector, that is PSM. P for rickettsial pox, X for scrub typhus, both having the same vector, that is the mite, PSM. Thank you.